Good morning, everyone. I'm Katie, doula with Yama Mamas, and this is my daughter Jubilee. And I would love to share with you guys a little bit about lemon balm. It's an herb that I love and use in postpartum visits and some other ways, but we're going to show you how to harvest it, how to eat it, and how to make some tea or an infusion with it. So hope you enjoy. Okay, so hopefully you can see this, but right here is, what is this?
Lemon balm.
Look at the camera and say lemon balm.
Lemon balm.
Lemon balm, and you can see it's part of the mint family. It's super potent. Do you like the smell? So this is my herb, just small herb garden, and we're gonna harvest a bunch. Jubilee likes to eat it. I'm gonna show them how you like to eat it. Okay. So I just like to cut off some bigger chunks.
Why, Mommy?
Why? Because I'm gonna make a tea.
Oh. Can I have some tea?
Yeah, we can drink it together.
Okay.
So again, I'm just looking around the plant for some outliers or just some sprigs that look good to me. I've already harvested 3. I think this is my 3rd harvest of this just small plant. Of a large harvesting. So here we go. I've got my bushel and we're gonna go make a tea.
We're making lemon balm tea today.
Okay, we are making lemon balm tea. And so the first thing we're gonna do is open these jars. These are my helpers. What's your name?
Crosby.
Crosby and Jubilee. So we're gonna take the lemon balm that we picked and put it inside the jar. So you can do leaves. Sometimes I don't really think too much about it. And just shove it in there. And actually, why don't we put all of it in this big jar, okay? We'll share together and put it in here, and we'll make one big one. So if I'm drinking it by myself, I'll usually make one like this, but since we're gonna share it, we're gonna make a big one. And if you've watched any of my other videos on different herbs, specifically like the infusion one, you'll know that I'm more of a folk method gal and I don't ever really measure because these herbs are pretty calm, and so I'm not too worried about it. But if you are, you should do your research and know which herbs that are better to measure. So here's our jar full of lemon balm, and now we're gonna pour our boiling hot water.
Which I accidentally touched.
Yeah, so right, it's hot. Right, so if you're doing it with helpers, you just gotta be careful with the hot water. Okay, oh, remember that's hot. So we're gonna fill it all the way up, and Crosby's gonna push that stem down, and we're gonna cover it.
Oh, that's on.
So there you have it. So while it's steeping, we'll talk a little bit about the benefits of lemon balm. Okay, so we're excited to drink our lemon balm tea, right guys?
Yeah.
So if you haven't seen my other video on the difference between a tea and infusion, go check that out. Okay. Okay, let's talk about the benefits of lemon balm. A couple fun things that I like about it is that it attracts bees, which is really special for your garden. It's a part of the mint family, and I'd say a big distinguisher is the lemony fragrance that comes with lemon balm. Is so lovely and refreshing. Usually, when I'm in the garden, I just like to waft it. It's just so soothing and calming and relaxing. So as far as the benefits that I like to target with postpartum moms is it helps to soothe anxiety and depression. It's really great for the nervous system. And so I'd say it's an herbal ally for anxiety, depression, the nervous system, and then various digestive issues. It's not uncommon, or it's pretty common to use lemon balm alongside chamomile for an upset stomach, and there's really great benefits there. And then, as you can see, it's really great with kids because it's such a calming, soothing herb. So it helps with the restless child, or help to soothe before bed, around nightmares and dreams. So it's an amazing herb. Now these are just a few of the benefits. If you're really interested in lemon balm, I would encourage you to research and read and get some books. I've referred to Rosemary Gladstar a few times. There's tons of great books. I actually even saw that Costco was selling some amazing gardening and herb references in books. So if you're interested, go check those out. And anytime that I talk about herbs and plants on these videos, it's just my experience of these beautiful plants and herbs and how I've used them and experienced them with my family and with moms that I work with. So always know that there's so much more. Plants are pretty incredible. So I hope that you enjoyed this video, enjoyed my kids. I'm going to go get them. Our tea is ready, and we're going to drink and enjoy it together. Okay, we have our lemon balm tea. Should we try it? See what it tastes like? All right, let's do it. What do you think?
I didn't try my lemon balm. I think it's good. Wait, did you see that birdie out there?
I do. I see the bird. I think it's delicious too. Should we have a cheers? Cheers and say thank you to lemon balm.
Cheers.
Thanks to lemon balm.
Cheers.
Cheers.